If you order an assembled one in the mail, we'll post it likely without the stand on it. So to put the stand on, sit the machine on the table just against this area so it's nice and flat on the edge of the table there. You're on the side with 2 lugs, and you want the 2 lugs to go in here, and this straight edge to be next to this straight edge, this curve edge here. So then push in the top lug first, and the bottom lug. And now we can put on this base. That should press on also. So I want to show you the process of swapping the cams out in the Lanky Doodler Writing Automaton. So we're going to take out these Happy Birthday cams and put in some Merry Xmas cams. So first we can pull off this front handle and take a screwdriver and undo the screw that holds the 2 cams together, the front cam and the back cam. And now you can pull off the top cam, take the bottom one out and pull off the bottom cam. Now we'll take Merry Christmas and push on the bottom cam. It has a B on it, B for bottom. And now we'll put it into this hole. You need to make sure that these little spigots are sitting right up inside the hole, so it's flush here. You don't want it sitting like this with a gap. Right in, holding it in. Take the top cam, push that into place. And you want to make sure that these holes line up. That way you know the 2 cams are in phase. You want your follower at the back sitting on the back cam, and your follower at the front is going to sit down on the top cam. Now we can take our screw again and tighten these up. So this helps prevent the cams separating and dropping out of alignment in the bearing hole. Don't tighten it too much. You don't want to pinch them together such they're so hard to move. So make sure they're still free. Now you can put your winding knob back on. Okay, now we're ready to test it out. Let's get some paper, it's just A4 paper folded twice. And I found what's best now is I use a felt tip pen. It gives you a bit more darkness, so make sure the funny shaped hole is at the bottom. That's the one that the pen will press into. Press that in until it's fixed. This one should be loose. Alright, let it sit down. Make sure your followers are both in place, and then start turning slowly. And there we have Merry Christmas.